Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're teaching you how to make a delicious bell pepper crepe. This recipe can serve up to 5 people. So for this recipe, you will need 2 cups of bell peppers of your choice. They can be any color, 1 cup of cheese, 2 cups milk, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking powder, oil for frying, and 6 eggs. So we're going to start off by cracking 2 eggs in a mixing bowl. Mixing them with milk, flour, a bit of salt, and baking powder. And just mixing that thoroughly until the mixture looks something like this. Now in a different mixing bowl, crack 4 eggs. Mix in all of the bell peppers, a bit of salt, and black pepper. And just mix this thoroughly until the mixture looks like this. Now on low-medium heat, pour a bit of oil in a frying pan, followed by approximately half a cup of the batter mixture into the frying pan as well. Now you can go ahead and layer this with the filling mixture. And a handful of cheese. Once you've done all that, you can cover this for 2 minutes and make sure you turn the heat to low. Now after 2 minutes, try and flip your crepe like so. And just fold it as you would fold any other crepe. And that's pretty much it. You're done. This delicious recipe is perfect for breakfast time. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. Give the video a thumbs up, press that notification button to stay updated on our latest video, and also please don't forget to share this with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.